people happy. It's my nature to be happy and make people happy.
They don't pay you.
Bwengenda kumbaga mbangeze kusanyuka siku na kuwala.
Yes.
Era mvayo nsanyusa n'abantu. So I'm not that miserable person. Whenever I go to a place, I'm called dynamite. I make people happy.
So where do you get this love to be called a person who loves Rastas?
Human nature.
Human nature.
Human nature.
Are you a Rasta?
I'm not a Rasta, but I love them. I love their way. I like it.
Do you believe in Rastafarianism?
Well, everybody has a choice to be who they are, and I respect it. Mu Uganda njagala buli gwanga lyonna bayo. Njagala nnyo ba Northerners, njagala nnyo Abatororo, njagala nnyo Abasoga, njagala nnyo everybody. I don't distinguish at all.
Being that you qualified and professional personnel who retired.
Exactly.
What do you talk about vegetarianism?
I don't like that at all.
Why?
Because I'm a social person. Ndate njagaliza. Nze bwembanga nina access to anything. Nga nsanze omuntu anneetaagisa okumuyamba ku kintu kyonna. I'm not selfish. I'm a people's person. I'm a totally different person amongst so many people. Why would I be selfish not to help somebody needing access to anything? I'm a person who was born happy. I'm a person who is generous.
So big up to this brother of mine. He's called Trucky Patrick in Chitintale. And somebody was asking here, other than Tinder and UK, where else have you lived?
I've lived in Mombasa. I lived in Nairobi in Kenya. I lived in Boston, where I had a sister, Harriet Kanyike. She was serving me breakfast when they hit the Twin Towers. My brother Chairman Kanyike was there. I was there for his wedding in Boston. Boston, Massachusetts. I was there when they hit the Twin Towers. My late sister Harriet Kanyike was serving. Harriet Kanyike yasomane Sarah Kajingo yasomesa Sarah Kajingo by the Ojiwa Ann Mgenyi, Justice Ann Mgenyi. We only had one sister among 7 brothers. Kenneth is back in Uganda. I've got 3 brothers in the UK. My eldest is in the UK. Douglas, my follower, is in the UK. Tony, our youngest, is in the UK. Robert Ali, Boston. Brian Ali, Canada. So we're all abroad.
You've talked about the UK several times. You enjagala okuvayo okubuuza gwenga Allan Kanyike tubeera naawe ebiseera ebisinga tusisinkana tukubya amazzi fenna nga tutuuya nnyo tuli awo olina engeri gy'ovuddeyo okuyambako bano abantu bootera okunyumirwa nabo?
Nyambye abantu bangi nnyo
mu ngeri ki?
I'm a very loving musician. Abayimbi mbaagala nnyo era bwe banyimbira ennyimba mbawa ku tips. Ate izi sente ziba zinoma okubawa. Bwe ngenda ku tavern, bwe ngenda ku Max Lounge, bwe ngenda ku Cream Hotel nga bwe ngenda kati akawungezi. I use my money to bwe ndaba omuntu omuyimbi nga nyimbidde bulungi. I'm a generous person.
Waliwo akafaananyi akasimbye akabadde nozira wabadde ku live band ya Cream Hotel.
Exactly.
Oli n'ava eri n'agamba naye bakusasula sente nnyingi okubeera mu incidents ezo.
No, they don't pay me money. I just enjoy and I give. I'm a giver. That's why a Frigo band, everywhere I go, I give what I have.
Yes.
I'm a generous person. And when somebody sings a song, Juliana Kanyumos, everybody knows me.
Maddi Jewuya alina ekibuuzo kyagala okukubuuza nga tunagenda mu masimu.
No problem.
Badde mbuuza like kyetaagisa ki okuinvitinga ku event yonna